This video shows the replace last profile entity from Civil Reminders. This command is useful when you extend a profile to the end of the profile view within Civil 3D. Here's the command in Civil 3D on the profile layout tools of extend entity. So you can go ahead and select the segment, and you can see that a segment is extended to the end of the profile view. I mean, that's kind of like what I want, but I want it to look like the rest of my profile. Like, the intent of this is to make sure that your profiles always have an elevation, so it goes to the end of the alignment. But I really want it to look like a normal profile segment. And there's no way to then go back in and have Civil 3D change this. I can delete it and recreate the work, but that kind of defeats the purpose. So instead, you can download the Civil Reminders replace last profile entity. You can find the command on the add-ins tab and then click the button. And then you can select the profile. And then it's going to go in and get rid of that dashed portion and make it a full-fledged profile segment. And so this is the replace last profile entity command from Civil Reminders.